What up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys Copy AI. So I'm gonna be reviewing Copy AI. Now, Copy AI is an AI tool that was pretty much created specifically for go-to markets. So people who are trying to prep up their startups to take them into market and things like that, they help with those types of copy. So if you're a startup, this is the tool for you. Obviously, there are other AI tools out there, even ChatGPT, but these guys, they've pretty much prepped their tool to be specifically for startups. So I don't want to waste you guys' time on that, and I'm just gonna get right into it. All right. So now this is the dashboard and this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, I've already used up some words. And by the way, if you need a free trial to this, I have a link to it in the description below. So I'm just going to click on create chat and then you can see it. Summarize the latest news on generative AI, create a blog post about search engine optimization, write a press release about it, yada yada yada. So as you guys can see, they say summarize the latest news on generative AI, which means their tool itself actually searches real-time news. So let's just go ahead and before I even show you that, you can see over here they have GPT 3.5. They also have Cloud 3 Haiku for free. They have GPT 4, GPT 4 O, Cloud 3 Sonnet, Cloud 3 Opus, Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Those ones are in the Pro plan. But let's just test this out real quick. So summarize the latest news on generative AI. So all you just gotta do is click on this. I'm just gonna give you the words. So as you guys can see, generative AI is currently making an impact across various sectors like education, healthcare, manufacturing, media, all that good stuff. So it says right here, World Economic Forum, Forbes. So if you go over here, you can see it so it's 2024 and you can go ahead and click on it. And if you take a look on the left hand side below, you'll be able to see this was October the 2nd, 2023, but updated for 2024. So let's just click on the news that it's telling us to go to. So we'll be able to see it. So showing us right here the latest news on generative AI. So as I told you guys, it actually searches just almost like ChatGPT searches. So now the next time I'm going to show you guys the two assets that they have. They have the info base and then they have the brand voice. So if you go to info base, you'll be able to create an info base and then you'll be able to type in an info base name. So let's say I want to put them on company services. And then you can come here and upload the documents about whatever you want the info base to be, or you can add a bunch of tags, or you can enter a text. So let's just say success tech services create blog posts for AI companies and start. That's good. And just click on save. So now we have that saved. So if you go back to chat, and if I create a chat, and I'll just say, so you can always, once you type in hashtag, you'll be able to reference back to infobase. Let's just say, write a short letter, a very short email to hashtag success tech services. So we'll be able to then give you something. To say, hi, Success Tech Services, I'm interested to learning more about your blog post services for AI companies and startups. Could you provide me more information on your offerings and pricing? Pretty straightforward and pretty straight to the point. They also have a brand voice right here. Also almost acts like an info base, but obviously an info base you can keep having more and more. With the brand voice itself is just one thing, and then it goes ahead and puts in the brand voice. It goes ahead and then uses it for your next chat and everything. Now, on the left hand side, you guys can probably see something I'm saying. It's called workflows. So if you click on workflows, with the workflows right here, it's typically for people who are in sales. So you can come in here and just create your own workflow. So you can either add a trigger to start your workflow, or you can give it like a LinkedIn profile URL to script the URL. So it's giving a company URL, script URL, and create a summary of the value proposition of the company. So if you click on something like this, I'm just typing in. So let's say, wait, let's see, give me a value proposition for Walmart.com. So if you click on input, you can come in here, company URL. So it says you can also see here. Let me just close this real quick. So it says input, research Walmart, generate a value proposition. So as you guys can see right here, one is some steps need your attention. So input right here, research Walmart, information about Walmart, one page to 10 results, entire internet time period, generate value proposition, information about Walmart, research Walmart, using the information provided, write an engaging value proposition for Walmart.com that highlights the unique value for customers, your marketing copywriter. So it pretty much helps you create all these things. You also have an advanced setting. So you'll be able to choose the AI model that you want, the creativity level, characters, and all of that. So as I told you guys, it's mainly for startups. So It says warning, some steps need your attention. So if I click on add input, you'll be able to give it an input name. So let's just say input description, 1 month value, I guess. So you'll be able to have things like this and then publish it, run it, the whole nine. As I said, I don't want to waste you guys' time on this. So, but as you guys can see, it's also good too for sales. For those of you that want to create a bunch of, workflows and processes and stuff like that. I'll tell you guys to obviously check out copy.ai. Now, let's take a look at what their plan looks like. So they have a monthly plan and then they have their annual plan. Monthly plan is typically what a lot of people go for. So if you go for that monthly plan, it's free forever. You get 1 seat and they get 2,000 words in chat, 200 bonus workflow credits. Now let's view all their plans. So if you click on all their plans, so they have a starter plan. For this one, you get 1 seat, unlimited words in chat, and then obviously a lot of access to their workflows. The same thing too in there with their advanced. Unlimited words in chat, 2K workflow credits per month. So unlimited chat, unlimited projects, unlimited info based entries, unlimited brand voices, 95 plus languages, 90 plus prompt templates. You can save a custom prompt. You have API access, which a lot of you will need. You have access to GPT-4, Anthropic, workflow templates, workflow forms, unlimited seats, account manager, and all of that. Oh, by the way, they also have forms, and I want to show you guys that. So let's go to create workflow real quick. If you click on form, you have to have a workflow first before you can see the form. So let's just use this one that I have. If I click on form, so every workflow itself has an inbuilt form in it. So if I click on copy, let's take a look at the form and let's take a look at what it looks like after you've created a form. So as you guys can see, it has a form like this that you can pretty much try to embed onto your own website. So find company tech providers, find technology providers used by a company from the company URL. Person puts this in right here and clicks and submit. They'll be able to get it. Show run again, enforce rate limit, 10 requests per time frame, things like that. So their tool is pretty good. If you're a person who you own a startup, you can try it out. If you're a person who's a tech enthusiast, I'm missing my words. You can also obviously try it out. So yeah, make sure you guys try it out. Copy.ai. And if you need access to the best AI tools, I have a link to them in the description below. So I'm gonna catch you guys next time.